Life has a certain rhythm to it these days. You probably know it too. Wake up, scroll, clean, eat, scroll some more. Sometimes you can feel trapped by the routine of modern life. It can all feel so inevitable. But when I go outside, I'm free. Nothing calms me down like being in the wild. We all belong out here. I escape. I run free. I explore. I discover. When I have a camera in my hands, a whole new world unfolds. Nothing else makes me feel so present, so attentive to the life around me. When I'm out here, I truly feel alive.